Do the soul arch.
My baby does a soul arch. Toes and
Do
he
a
said,
soul arch.
Whoever started toes in the nose, his daughter's name is Abby.
Soul arch. Can you do soul arch? Yay. What's that? Can I have it?
Hold it while she
Thank you. Okay, you going to do the soul arch?
That's inside.
Okay.
You do the soul arch, Abby?
Soul arch. Yeah, there you go. Get on the end and do the soul arch. Aww. Yay! Where'd you go? Soul arch. Soul arch. You gonna surf?